Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another project share. So there's a lot of shadows going on because I'm filming this at night, but I really wanted to get this done so I could share it with you so that I can now package them up. And I actually am going to disassemble it. So that's why I wanted to kind of do a video now so that you can kind of see what I came up with. And then that way I have reference for next time. So what I did was we're going to have a get together with some of my crafty friends. Island Scrapbooking had closed back before 2020, I think. And we used to always get together and like I would teach and then we would just have like gatherings and it was a lot of fun. And so we're trying to stay in touch by going to luncheons. And so this next one, my friend Debbie, hey Debbie, she's been nice enough to help me coordinate. So we're gonna go have lunch, and then I told her, okay, since you're gonna do that, I'll do like a make and take or something. So this is what one of the ones that I came up with. I'm gonna try to do one more tonight. I'm so last minute, and then part of it was I was working on the sunrise swap, and then I couldn't really think of what would be a good make and take to do. So I'm still debating. I want to do something with paper, but of course I also have to do something with beads. So this is what I came up with. There's only going to be a few of us there, so it was actually really easy. The problem that I had was these what are they called, keychains, the holders, where it's really thick, so it's hard to find beads that'll fit on this particular keychain. But I found some, and so that's what I'm gonna go with. Hopefully they like it, but otherwise it's hard. Like, it's a lot of beads don't have those really big holes, so I had to use the Euro beads because they're kind of like the Pandora beads, and so they're big enough. But anyway, so I got them in gold and silver. So this one in particular is gold. I think this might have been the last one that I made. But I went through my stash, I got out my clasps, and I just attached it with another huge jump ring. But I like this one because it's very thick and sturdy, so it doesn't really open up too much. And then I found these butterflies, and they're meant to go on pens, but they're big enough to fit through the rod. So that's why I chose those. And then I just did a bunch of beads underneath. So luckily I had these smaller baguette kind of Euro beads, which I got from AliExpress. Somebody asked me for the link, and I'm so sorry, I guess I didn't do it at that time, so I will try to link them down below. But they come in a variety of colors, and I really liked it. So, and it's big enough to fit on that rod. And then I just went through my stash to see what kind of Euro beads would match, and I wanted to do like a pastel version with this white. I added on another baguette, I added on a gold spacer, and then the end cap. So I think it's really cute. I think this would be a nice purse charm actually to hang from your one of your straps on your purse. But anyway, so that's one. I did another one in white, but this time I did it with silver. And so same concept, the butterfly, the baguette. This one was pearl. So this one I just stuck to clear and white type of stones. And I really like how that one came out. I had big heart silver beads, and I don't know where they went. I found my gold, but I couldn't find my heart. I mean, the silver, so I was kind of bummed about that. Okay, this one is a different kind of a color. It's like in jewelry world, I think they call it like mystique or something like that. But it's like a rainbow kind of coating on the over black. So I used the silver, and then the silver rod, right? And then this one I did mostly black. So it's like the black baguette, black. This is kind of like a grayish color. I did add a rhinestone bead, another baguette, and then the spacer bead. I actually kind of like how that came out. I'm not really like a black person. You know, I don't like black in crafting that much, but I thought it came out pretty nice. Okay, then I did a red one. So the red one, I wanted to pair it with gold because it has like gold undertones on the butterfly itself. And then same thing, baguette, and then 3 Euro beads. This one I just kind of chose other colors that would match. So very like sun hot colors, right? Like warm colors, I guess they call it. But some people really like red, like my daughter. So I did that one. And then I did a pink, of course. So the pink, I did it with the gold. And then same thing with the beads. And then the last one I did was the silver with the blue. And then same thing with the beads. So you know, I'm pretty happy with how they came out. Of course, you can add more beads to it. Like, because I'm going to do it as a make and take, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew it. I'm going to put it all in a little pack. I'll keep this all together so that they don't have to bring tools, but then they can just kind of position it how they want. So if they don't want to do it like how I did it, then that's up to them. But anyway, that is my make and take project for some of my crafty friends that we're gonna do a meetup, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.